Hey everyone! Today we're going to be taking a look at the import line from Brous Blades, now available at knifecenter.com. Jason Brous has been working hard to make his knives more and more affordable for the past couple years, and the import line is the purest extension of that philosophy yet. This line brings a new level of value to the ever-growing Brous Blades catalog by introducing knives that share the same action, D2 blade steel, and designs you've come to expect from Brous. The only thing setting them apart from their American-made counterparts is the use of Zytel handle scales. The change in handle material also has the added benefit of reducing weight and lets you get a hold of a Brous blade at a significantly lower price. Included in the line are knives like the Division, which features clean lines, solid performance, and innovative styling. This knife features a drop point profile with a high hollow grind for excellent cutting performance. A slim profile allows for easy carry, and the shape of the handle makes for a very ergonomic fit in the hand. With the added versatility of a reversible deep carry tip-up pocket clip, this will be the blade that you reach for when heavy-duty tasks come calling. Next up is the Enforcer. This folding Karambit features an aggressively shaped talon blade and a carefully designed handle to fit your hand for standard or reverse grips. The top flipper design gives this knife one of the fastest and strongest actions Brous has ever made because it utilizes the proprietary Brous bearing system for a smooth and quick deployment. The line also features the SSF Silent Soldier, which is a folding adaptation of Jason's first fixed blade knife design. This knife rocks a high-utility, Wharncliffe-style profile and some incredibly snappy flipping action. The double swedge features a variable grind tapering down to a laser-precise tip. You'll also find aggressive jimping on the spine and a large finger hole in the blade for ultimate control with various grip styles. You can also get your hands on some of the other Brous favorites like the Tanium or the Reloader. Whether you need a new EDC, you're on a budget, looking to get a great gift for a friend, or just getting into knives, the import line from Brous Blades is the perfect combination of quality and price that you've been looking for. If you're interested in getting your hands on something from the Brous import line, we have a link in the description below with all the different knives we have available, and if you want to see more of our knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, knifecenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.